Hi, in this part of the course we're going to talk about the 7 laws of nature. It's also known as the 7 laws of the universe. And these teachings can be found in many ancient spiritual writings and teachings. And the purpose of these laws is self-healing. It's a self-healing method that aids in stress management and problem solving. And it also teaches conflict resolution techniques. As you would be aware, the first 2 laws of this mantra are feminine. That is, they are being laws, to bring one into a state of just is, or love. Love, after all, is a state of being. It's not an emotion. When you experience any reaction, be aware that it is not your brain reacting. It is your conscious mind, which is energy. It's not physical. The conscious mind has been called many different things in many different ancient spiritual writings and teachings. And the conscious mind, you could refer to it as, it's like a small child, in that it believes everything it experiences as real and reacts to it emotionally. For the small child cannot think. It just needs to be nurtured. Law 3 of the laws of nature is the law of attraction. So basically what that means is that what you put out, you attract to you. What behaviour or energy, so we could be talking about your perspective, beliefs, opinions or feelings, did you project or put out that attracted a particular experience to you that you reacted to? When any reaction appears within you, either emotional, so feelings, disagreement, which is generally mental, or dis-ease or injury to the body, which is physical, use the following cleaning techniques until the pain, or the feeling, disagreement, inflammation or injury has subsided. Say in your mind over and over again. You have to say it exactly as it is written. I am sorry I brought this experience to me. I forgive myself unconditionally for having done so. I love myself unconditionally for who I am. Thank me for bringing this experience to me to resolve the cause. So, if the reaction is caused by something someone has said or done, and let's face it, it usually is, you can say the following after. I forgive myself, and then continue. If I have offended you or any member of your family back to the beginning of time, then I ask for your forgiveness. You need to say it exactly as it is written. This takes away the focus from your reaction, and you need to direct it towards the mantra. Say it over and over and over again out loud or in your mind until the energy has subsided to zero or to the point of just is. Now, in the following 3 pages, you will notice that there is set out 1 to 7, the 7 laws of nature. And you will notice that the first 3 laws are the masculine or spiritual laws. Now, although it says they're masculine, as you will be aware, we have both feminine and masculine sides to ourselves. So it is still important for us to work on those first 3 laws. Now, the next 4 laws are the feminine or the soul laws. So there's the law of compassion, the law of compassion or service, the law of forgiveness, the law of love, and the last law is preparing you for who you are becoming. It is really important that when you are reading these, whether out loud or in your mind, that you read them exactly as they are written. Because the power of these things is in how they are written. On the very last 5th page, you will find the very 4 basic ones that I talked about first up, when any reaction appears within you. So the ones, I am sorry I brought this experience to me. I forgive myself unconditionally for having done so. I love myself unconditionally for who I am. And I thank me for bringing this experience to me to resolve the cause. Those 4 basic ones are to help you to release any major stress. The 7 in all gives you a full picture of your male, so your masculine side of you, your feminine side of you. The law, number 6, is about when the spirit and the soul actually merge together and become one. And the last one is in preparation for who you are becoming. So they're detailed ones. If you want something quick and fast, have a look at the 5th page, which has those 4 very basic ones. And say them over and over again to yourself, but say it exactly as it is written. That is really important. And I really hope that you are delighted by the results you get from these. They are extremely powerful, and I think you will be amazed at how they actually help. Enjoy!